Alright, guys, keep on playing like you were just a second ago. What are you doing back there?
Getting your tail. He's getting your tail. Get her, Blitzy. Good girl. Aw, that's a good girl. See, that's a submissive. See how she rolled over on her belly, on her back? Good girl.
Whoa.
Blitzy's wanting to play with her. Because when she gets distracted with something else, Blitzy will go stick her nose on her and get her attention again.
You can't chew on that. I'm sorry.
What is it?
Chew it on the box.
Hey girl, good girl. Good girl. Have you got a little sister now? Here. Have you got a little sister now? My baby girl. Yes, my baby girl.
What do you think, Blitzy? Huh? Are you happy? Here's a big smile.
My baby girl right here.